We're at our next classic Honda garage. That's what happens when you don't use a matching cam gear and a cam when you rebuild an engine. Cut your gears off on all these old Hondas. And this is my friend's car I'm fixing for him. We bought it for $450. And the stupid idiot, well, he wasn't an idiot, he was just inexperienced, but he has the matching cam right there, and he didn't use it. Because the shop he paid to have it done at didn't really know what they were doing. I've got my spare camshaft and matching oil pump drive gear. You never want to separate those two things. So anyways, yeah, it's a Honda-matic, but I've got a 4-speed sitting in my shop that is going to soon to change that. And I should be done fixing this car in probably about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Just got to pop that cam out, retime the engine, put it all back together, and go to town. It's a respray, but it's kind of cool looking, you know. I've always wanted an orange car, and my friend's going to use this all summer, and then it shall be mine. And this is the rest of my workshop. They do stuff with electric vehicles here. One of these days we'll do something with that, but I hate American cars. The transmission's gone. Still working on the brake swap. And yeah, it's a cool little car. Just you know, vinyl cover there. Yeah, this guy had no clue. I popped the valve cover off in his driveway. Alright, back to work. Alright, notice the difference? One has gears, one does not. Yeah, there you go. So I gotta fish out all these little pieces of metal that came off of here. And then I haven't decided whether I'm gonna use this camshaft or this one. Because I don't know if this oil pump drive gear is done too. There's your problem. Okay, it's all put back together. Now we're gonna find out if it runs. See if I bought a paperweight or something else. So gotta prime it first, though. That's for sure. So see what happens. Alright, here comes the prime. Oil pressure, very good. Okay. Now let's connect the coil wire. See what that shit does. See if my fucking skills work. Alright. Okay, well, we got oil pressure, and we got gas. Find out we got spark. Well, it runs. Distributor was bad, so I swapped it out with a manual one, but yeah, it's not doing so great. Timing's off, so I'm gonna retime it. But here's this thing. Yeah, points were totally done. So there was no way in hell this thing was running. It's gonna have to be rebuilt by my friend Mark. But starter's shitty too. Gotta replace the starter. So more trabajo. Okay. It runs real good, but the owner told me he popped the oil pan off. Obviously didn't get the gaskets to see right. But this Honda-matic transmission is so funky, I'm just gonna yank this puppy out of here. And I can see it welling out of the seam there. Yep. Yeah, this Honda-matic is so funky that I'm gonna toss in my spare 4-speed, and I'll do that tomorrow. But other than that, pretty good purchase for $475. So conversion to manual transmission starts tomorrow. Got my pedal assembly in there off my spare car. And I'll just get started on that. So this is a car for some friends of mine. They're going to use all summer, and then they go back to Russia, but they're paying for it. So, all right, later.